What's up, y'all?
What's up, everybody?
Okay, so
Tell them first about this container you found.
yes, so this container we found at Michael's, and we're gonna make a centerpiece for the candle lighting. So we just put some foam in here.
And we had to wedge it because this is actually not a container.
Yeah, no, it's a shelf. It's got the little hooks for shelves.
Oh. So you're really gonna wedge it in good with the glue. Kind of like you're framing it almost. I'm fluffing up all these for him to get them ready.
Okay, I think I've applied enough glue.
Do you think you got it?
I think I've got enough glue.
You got it. You got it. It's gonna be good.
So I kind of want this just like that. And I want my candles.
I know, Anita. Can you believe that's a shelf?
To set in there like that. So I want to build around the candles. So I'm going to trim some of this green, and I want it spilling out just a little bit on the edges. So I'm keeping those candles in there, so I know exactly where to build around it. Yes, so we did make the candles inside the group. So Khalid's gonna cut some foam for me so we can elevate these with the candles to go up just a little bit higher.
A little small. Those are so cute. You guys did a great job. And that bow could sit right in front of it.
A bow. I'm trying not to overpower the
No, it's okay. It's much more fun.
I want this sitting right in the front. So what I like to do is just run this through that zip tie. Then I'll zip tie it all together. And then run some hot glue along that.
Pop it in.
Yep. I'm going to go right up in the front of that foam. So do you want to glue these down?
Yeah. Let's do it.
So I'm just going to glue these directly to that foam, making sure I glob lots of glue on there. So now I just grouped all those 3 candles.
They look great. It looks really good.
The back side of that candle.
How much room?
Yeah, turn and show.
Like enough for this to sit back there.
Oh, no, I don't think so, Damon. That one. No.
No.
That's the perfect size.
Okay, yeah, sure. This I go for this. We didn't prepare the base for this,
I
but
wiggled it so it would fall apart.
let me see.
Look how cute.
Oh, it looks amazing. Now if we need a welding gun and a stapler.
And blow to our you can glue all those pine cones right
Okay.
back on it.
I haven't used a glue gun in years. Let's do this.
We're not getting any foam in there. We have no foam.
Clark, get yourself something real nice.
No, he does this to me every time.
It does look really good in there.
Could you like
It's tied to the back
Oh
candle.
my gosh. Do we have a drill? We could drill some holes in this base. We could drill through the wood and zip tie it.
Okay. So
oh my
It looks really pretty. Now what do you want to do?
This is chaotic. I'm here for it.
I mean, I personally like the tree just
Okay.
being by itself. Do you want to do some more berries and things at the bottom?
yeah. We'll do
Okay.
Now that you have so much height, can you put the mailbox in there too?
Oh yeah, no problem. We got this.
Cute it would be in there.
Oh, it really would.
Yeah,
It would be
so this was a little
so
wonky.
on
cute
this
in there.
side. It would be cute, and it would probably anchor it to give it some more.
Oh,
weight.
we need anchoring, all right. This This piece is not anchored yet. Okay,
Going
Sean.
in somewhere, Khalid.
Because she never broke the bottom off.
Oh,
Is that, will that fit in the pick machine? Just let it fly.
okay. Yeah, sure. Let's turn it around and look at it from the front, Jordan.
There.
Wait, okay. Can we get a final whatever else is going to go in? Can we get
No,
a-
that's part of the fun.
That's
We're really trying to figure out how to finagle that moose to ride on top of the mailbox.
Okay. Oh my god.
The moose.
They want to know what's
The
in the cookies.
All right.
Where's
That-
one of Dereka's snowmen?
That just looks adorable in there. At what point are we making sense at this arrangement?
Yeah.
Yes, it's like chopped. Yes. As long as we're not draining moose.
No.
You know, I always bring extra.
There's no extra.
We wanted an extra.
Yeah,
There's 2 more in that bucket.
I got one.
Give me one.
You're like, yeah, so much. So much.
It's so cute.
This is so unique. This is so unique.
We have another dog. We have another dog.
Jordan,
You don't
you've done a
say.
really good job, Jordan. This was hard. This was a challenge.
Someone said, Jordan, you've been pumped. Yep.
No.
How do you think it feels?
So that's it, y'all.
Okay.